Growing your online business? Email is one of the major tools you'll need, especially for follow-up. For me, I'm focused on crafting email campaigns that not only reach my audience's inbox, but also their attention. Email marketing is a powerful tool, especially for us digital creators. But the real challenge? Making your email stand out. Let me walk you through how I do it. First, it all starts with the subject line. This is your first and sometimes your only chance to grab attention. I spend time crafting a subject line that's intriguing, clear, and promises value. Next, the content of the email. I focus on making it relevant, valuable, and engaging. It's not just about what I want to say, but what my audience needs to hear. I use a conversational tone as if I'm speaking directly to each subscriber. Personalization is the key. I use tools to segment my audience and tailor my messages. This could be based on their interests, past interactions, or where they are in the customer journey. And with GoHighLevel, segmenting and personalizing becomes a lot more manageable. Remember, great email marketing is about building a relationship with your audience. It's a mix of art and science. Make sure to subscribe and check out my other videos. I'm here to help you boost your online presence and get more customers from the internet using the latest strategies and tools. Thanks for watching, and I'm excited to help you take your email marketing to the next level. See you in the next video.